Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share a very important announcement regarding the bot, to be specific the Bch Click Bot. It was in December 2020 when I uploaded a video tutorial on how to make money with this bot. I just read it today that the bot is closing soon. It says we have until July 1st of this year to withdraw our balance. I went directly to their Telegram channel to verify this information, and yeah, they have stopped the deposits on December 31st last year, but they will not fully disable the bots until July 1st of this year 2022. So basically they are just giving us a heads up ahead of time so we can plan to convert and withdraw any amount we have beforehand. What I did earlier, I sent a withdrawal request at 10:52 a.m. Manila time and received my Bitcoin Cash at 11:03 a.m. So I just want to emphasize this, that they will not fully disable the bot until July 1, 2022. As you can see, the bot is still responding and continues to process withdrawals. I even performed tasks like visiting sites and earned few amount of Bitcoin Cash. And if you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you so much for staying with me. Please check out my previous videos on my channel. And if you need to see more money making videos, just go to the next video that will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. Thank you.